welcome to the Newlands Primary School Friday Celebration Assembly. As always, we're super proud of all the children who have been working all week long on lots of new learning and challenges. We have some amazing awards to give out today, and we'll go ahead and just get started with the first ones being the Going for Gold Awards. Going for Gold Awards in First and Leads class, we have Jackson for being thoroughly engaged when hunting for symbols, especially M for the min pins and S for speech. In York class, we have Violet for her super name writing and Anaya for her fantastic Fred talk. In Hull, we have Jakob. Jakob has been drawing a super picture of his family, Mommy, Daddy, and Jakob. Well done. Susanna K. in Hull class receives one for her super work in English and maths. Well done to you as well. In Nottingham, we have Daisy for her super effort in Read Write Inc. when learning new sounds and words. Mary also receives one in Nottingham for amazing work in English when learning new spelling rules. In Liverpool, we have Casper Ilm for super reading using his knowledge of sounds. Oliver T. receives one for fantastic handwriting. In Cardiff class, we have Ethan B. for excellent use of sign language and putting Teletime lessons into practice. Well done. Thank you. We also have Jacob S. for being our first person in Cardiff class for getting gold for wonderful contributions in maths. In Edinburgh 1, we have Noah and Christians for improved presentation in all areas of work. In Edinburgh 2, we have Warren for his super writing in English. He has tried really hard, and Miss Lofthouse is very proud of him. We also have Jacob P. for always trying his best in maths lessons. He perseveres even when things get tricky. In Cambridge class, we have Ethan for always trying his best with his work. We also have Grace for her fantastic contributions to class discussions. In Oxford class, we have Chloe for an excellent role model by staying focused and working hard. We also have Abigail for being an excellent role model as well by working hard and following safety rules. In Chester class, we have Alex for a great start and coming in full time. He has an excellent attitude to learning. Then in Lincoln class, we have Billy Joe. This is for his excellent behavior. Well done, children. I'm so proud of all of you. We all are. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now we have the year of being brave. In Leads class, we have Maya May for starting nursery after everyone else and settling in and making new friends straight away and always has a smile on her face. In York class, Harvey, he's come back after being off and with a smile on his face as well. In Hull class, we have Lorraine for showing resilience after having a little fall in class this week. Casper receives this award for sensibly waiting to be collected from school. In Nottingham class, we have Ashton for being brave and having a go at some trickier reading words and books. Hubert for remaining focused on his task all of the time. In Liverpool, we have Ella for helping a friend. In Cardiff class, we have Zoe for being brave and developing resilience in maths. We also have Isabella A for being brave and joining in with the class discussions when at first she was quiet, reluctant, and shy. In Edinburgh 1, we have David for showing disciplined bravery. He is able to keep going when challenges come his way. We also have Caden for increasing his intellectual bravery by gaining new ideas through reading lots at home. In Edinburgh 2, we have Zane for settling back into school with the routine. He has shown disciplined bravery and not giving up even when things get tough. Harvey receives this award for disciplined bravery in PE. He kept trying during skipping, though he found it difficult. In Cambridge class, we have Cooper for making sure that he follows our school rules regardless of what goes on around him. In Oxford class, we have Lexi for intellectual bravery when working on division. Layton receives one for disciplined bravery in maths lessons. Chester class gives this one to Jake D. This is because he picked up a spider and moved it outside, which made all of Chester class very happy. In Lincoln class, we have Leah. This is for her great return to school life. Another fantastic group of children that we have, and they do deserve a big round of applause. Well, another super week at Newlands Primary School. I'm so proud of all of you, and I'm really proud of how hard you've been working with your learning. And even if it was a challenge, you keep on going. That's what we like seeing. Keeping it up. We always keep trying. We don't give up. Now, I hope that everyone has a really nice weekend, even though it might be a little bit rainy. So keep safe, enjoy, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.